And by the way, I'm not an electrician, but I am an engineer, so I have trust in me that I can get it working. And let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed it will work.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Riikka and I like to do nice stuff for myself. This time I'm trying to create a lamp. So I have bought these vintage sockets in different colors and some nice cords, and I'm building a lamp on top of our dining table. And I have now put my 5 sockets on place, and now I'm trying to make the connection that I can get some light in it. Let's see how it turns out. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my creation so far. It is a nice little branch from a nearby forest. Really nice, old and dry. The fixtures, I tried to make them so that they are somehow not the same next to each other. I have multiple different ones. And then I have, this is the one that comes on the ceiling. It's also really nice reddish color. And here is my first connection. So like I said, I have been installing some lamps on the ceiling before, but that's all I know about electric work. And this was my first idea of making it, so like 2 cords coming down and then 5 fixtures. But now I'm going for this one coming down and dividing, change it a bit so that I get only 2 connection points. This is done, so I need to I need to make the second connection. And by the way, I'm not doing it totally out of my own head. Frei schnauze, as the Germans say. Or omasta päästä, as the Finns say. It is... I did find a video, or I was shown a video where some German it was a German video, someone is doing the similar lamp. Although I didn't look it to the end, and I didn't take any input from there, but I know where I can find help if I'm, going to a spot where I don't know how to go forward. I actually do that a lot. I have mentioned also before that I like to know where I can find the instructions, but I don't look at them unless I have an issue. So let's see how far I get before I need to go for help. Fabric cord is really nice looking, but you really need to secure the edges, the points, otherwise it will flee. Okay, so I need to make it similar way, so brown mixed earth and brown earth blue. Yay! So I have this now done. I need to still cover this somehow up. I have tape. I could use a cord like this without the wire inside. But I don't know yet. I also need to now fix these cords to the wood because these are not the carrying elements. It will have its own wire, which what it is hanging from the ceiling. Yeah, so now I could utilize the brown tape to cover these ones. But I don't like brown tape, so I will need to keep a thinking pause. And good thing is now I found out how my camera doesn't focus all the time. So now I don't have this. So let's think for a bit and then continue. This is the real me with the, So I ended up taping these. It's not so pretty, but I think it will do what it needs to do. It is covering the positions where the connection part is. So it is just a normal electric tape in brown that I used. And then I have my light bulbs. I have one of each. I wanted to take this kind of vintage LED lamps, so I probably will go with 3 of these and 2 of these. These are huge, but I kind of like it. It's really unique. Yeah, but I might need to go and buy more of them today. But I first want to have it hanging. So to hang, I have this kind of wire, and we will make some holes in the ceiling and hang it from there so that it is carrying the weight of this, and these are just carrying in their own weight. And I will fix these then to the wood as soon as I know how they will hang and where they need to be fixed. So first I need to get this up, because otherwise I don't know what I should be doing next. So I will put it to 90 centimeters distance from each other. So I want to put the middle in the 45. Middle in 45 and then 2 holes. Good, so up we go. Next day, I have hooks. There, somewhere. 2 hooks. I have 2 hooks up there. We just made a test drive with the lamp, so we still have electricity, which is good. So it works. So now I will fix my cables so that they are as I want them to be. Ta-da! Next step, old out, new in, and we're done. Because I don't think I need to fix those cords at all. They seem to hang quite well without dragging anywhere. So that's good, one less step for me. And then of course I need to put it up, like elevate it to the level where I want it to be. I'm so happy that that I trusted myself. But let's wait till the end that it works and everything, because now it looks quite good. If you like it, please let me know. I like it. It is exactly how I want it to be. I got to do it myself. I'm not sure if it was cost efficient in comparison to all the lamps that I saw online, but I like it. The small things, you know, the small things in life.